Hey, listen, so you're going to take your state exam. I guarantee it. You're going to be tested on the following term, on the following acronym, DUST, D-U-S-T, DUST. Guarantee it. So when it comes to that state exam, I want you to be familiar when it comes to the 4 elements of value. Anytime you see the 4 elements of value, you hear the 4 elements of value, boom, right away I want you to think of the acronym DUST. Now what does it mean, DUST? Ready? Well, they're going to give you 4 options, man. They're going to say, listen, of the following, which one is not part of the 4 elements of value? I want you to think of DUST. And D stands for demand, right? Demand. Somebody who demands a product. And they can financially, of course, pay for it. Boom, demand. I want that product. I want to buy it. D, demand. If I want it, it's got value to me. U stands for utility. I want to use that product. That product means something to me. I want to buy a apartment complex because I want to be an investor. I want to buy that house with a 3-car garage because I collect cars. I want a house with 4 bedrooms because I have a big family. I can't use a condo. So something that's usable, that brings value to the buyer. Got it? S, scarcity. Scarcity, whoa, scarcity always brings value because when there's a little of something, the value goes up. The example would be gold, diamonds. When there's a little bit of something and everybody wants it, boom, through the roof, prices skyrocket. Same thing happens with houses, with real estate. When there's a little inventory and there's a lot of buyers, sellers have the advantage. Got it? Boom. So S is for scarcity. And last but not least, we have T. T is for transferability. Less clouds on title, the better. Transferability, meaning the seller can sell this house, no questions asked. There's nothing wrong with the property when it comes to the title. They have the right to sell it. So there you have it. What brings value? Dust. When you get that question in your state exam, you'll be prepared. The 4 elements of value when it comes to real estate: demand, utility, scarcity, transferability. You'll be ready, man. I'm rooting for you. Now, when it comes to putting value on property, listen, you don't want to over-exaggerate. That's called puffing. In fact, we got a great video on puffing. Take a look at this one right here. You get tons out of it. That will also be on your state exam. Puffing, right over here. Check it out.